Hello everyone, so my name is Emily. If you're new here, hello, welcome. So this month we are going through the NYX Advent Calendar and every single day we are creating a new look to go with the product of the day. So today is day 11 and today's shade is a butter gloss in the shade Glazey Days. This is what the colour looks like and this is the look we created. So this look is a nice cut crease, green, red, all festive, you know, nice and sparkly. And also I am using some of my Christmas collection that I did in collaboration with EROSEGLITZ. As always, I have the link to purchase that down below and a discount code you can use to save some money. So yeah, if you would like to, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, and let's get on to see how I created this makeup look using my shadows. So today I thought I would do something using my collection because if you didn't know already, I have my own 4-piece collection. It was going to be a large collection to begin with, but it is now a 4-piece. I am in love with every single shade that I created. So we have Frost, Christmas Tree, Gingerbread and Silent Night. I think all of these shades are beautiful. I do a little, you can see all the shimmers in it, you can see all the multicolours in Gingerbread. I wanted to go for like a classic theme, so it was like all classic Christmas. You can buy them individually for, I think it's £1.80 for Gingerbread and £2.25 for each other individual shade using my code. Or you can buy them all as a bundle for £7.65. So I'm thinking if I use Frost on the lid and do like a green cut crease and then use Christmas Tree underneath the lash line, I'm thinking. I already have my brows on because I have actually already been out today. If you can't tell, my skin is very red because I just washed it because I already had makeup on and I thought, you know, I should probably take that off to film the video. So I'm going to start and I'm just going to prime my eyes using my concealer, and I would like to say thank you to everyone who is loving the Christmas series so far. Throughout this Christmas series so far, I have had a video watched by Brittany. I have had one of my videos commented on by Erin Rose. Ellie Addis has followed me on Instagram, and yeah, it's just been an all-round amazing time. So I hope you're all enjoying these videos as much as I'm enjoying making them, because honestly I just love being creative and like expressing myself through makeup, because I spend a lot of time in my house and a lot of time just stuck in my bed. And I'm currently starting treatment for ME. If you didn't know, I have ME. I have a video on it. So I'm currently starting treatment for that because I've been suffering for 3 years now. And I have finally found something that I thought, you know what, this sounds decent, let's try this treatment. It's not funded by the NHS, so, you know, we're just going with it, and we've looked into it a lot and it looks good. I look so red, I don't know why I'm getting so warm. I'm going to go in with the Sample Beauty palette, of course, and I'm going to go in with the dark green colour here. So as I was saying, I do not go out a lot at all, like I really don't. So for me, doing makeup and doing YouTube is a way for me to kind of like be creative and like just express myself, I guess. So the fact you are all watching these videos and allowing me to do this every day honestly really makes me so happy, because I'm struggling doing this series. It is a big task for me because most days I am in bed or just stuck in my house, absolutely exhausted just from making a cup of tea. I mean, I don't drink tea, but like a cup of hot chocolate. So being able to do this challenge for me is a personal challenge. Basically, I wanted to set myself a last personal challenge for the end of the year. So to do 24 tutorials, 24 looks, that was my challenge for myself. But the fact that people are actually watching it and enjoying it honestly makes me so happy. But yeah, I basically just wanted to say thank you for watching the videos, anyone commenting on the videos, liking the videos. It honestly means so much to me. And also over on my Instagram, anyone who is commenting over there, liking pictures over there, you know, sharing my videos, sharing my pictures. I really appreciate it, because it honestly, this isn't just like makeup for me, this is like almost a form of like therapy, which sounds so stupid, but like it is, and I love it. And yeah, so thank you to anyone who has been watching this series. If you're only joining on this video, if you've been here for the entire series, if you've been here before the series, you know, thank you so much. And also anyone who has got my EROSEGLITZ collection, being able to create that collection with Liv, I loved it so much, like being able to pick the colours and name them and just all like the creativity of it all. Honestly, I loved it. And now the fact I have some products of my own that I can say I made those, along with my highlighter, and I can be like, I designed those. You know, it's just, it really means more than just makeup to me. So thank you to everyone. And I hope you didn't get bored whilst I was doing that little tangent. But as you can see, I'm just packing this through my crease in this wing shape. And I will blend it out in a minute. I'm just kind of getting my colour on first. And I'm doing this a bit more zoomed out, just because I know sometimes I can get really zoomed in and I'm unsure if you prefer like me being zoomed in, me being zoomed out, because sometimes I go out of frame and it's kind of annoying, you know. I'm just kind of giving you a bit of variety. I'm now going to go in with a smaller domed fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go in with the lighter green colour, and I'm just going to pack this on the edges of this colour. I'm going to pack it first and then I'm going to go in and blend it. I'm just packing on a colour that is lighter than the first colour we put on. You can literally use this technique with any eyeshadow colour at all. So I'm just packing it on first, as you can see, and then I'm just doing little tiny circular motions in between the two colours. Okay, so after blending so much that my eyeballs hurt, you can see I have a nice gradient of greens. So I'm actually going to go in with a black. I'm just taking all of these shades from my sample beauty palette just because they're all in here. They're literally all the three colours that are right next to each other. And I'm just going to take the tiniest amount of this right at the bottom of that green. I'm just going to run it along. I don't know how this black blends, so this could be ruining, but you know, I'm going to go with it. And I'm going to go back in with this brush that we used to blend out the green. I'm just going to go right over those edges. I feel like you've got to know my dog in this series because she is non-stop barking at something. It seems, right, the thing is, she's fine when you're with her. She doesn't bark that much when you're with her. But as soon as she's alone and no one is with her, which is usually when I'm filming these videos, she is alone downstairs. Well, she's not alone, we have two dogs. But when she is alone, she just barks at everything. And I'm like, Lola, mate, there's nothing there. It's not even as if she can see anything because it's pitch black. So, I'm sorry if she annoys you. Trust me, she's annoying me too. But we do not neglect her. It's literally just for like the 40 minutes that I'm filming that she is on her own. Unless someone else is home, and then obviously they're with her. But a lot of the time no one is, so I have to leave her alone for less than an hour a day, and she decides to have a little Lola fit because she loves having attention. She loves getting her own way, and she just basically, she's a really simple dog. She wants to be petted all day every day. So when she's not being petted all day every day, she likes to bark or cry, and it's honestly quite sad. See, now she's crying, now she's done barking, within a few seconds she's crying, and she's like, come on, come play with me. I think that's the most struggling part of this whole series, not being able to stop Lola from crying, and being sad that she's crying. But then as soon as I have finished this look, I will go and see her. And I do actually have to take breaks in between to go and see her to check that she's alright. Then to give her a little cuddle, give her a little pat on the head, and come back upstairs and carry on filming. I am going to cut my crease because, I mean, what else have I done this time? I have done two halo eyes, to be fair, and I've done one, a couple smoked out eyes. So I haven't just done cut creases, but I do have a tendency to just, have a soft spot for a cut crease, because if you mess up you can just put a cut crease on and everything looks cute. So I've cut one crease and I'm going to go in with the shade Frost, which is this one here, and I'm going to go in with a MAC 242. As you can see, I have now done both eyes on top. The Frost colour is on both lids. Both creases are cut, and I have just wiped off any fallout from my face. There wasn't too much fallout, but obviously it is a glitter, so there will be a bit of fallout. That's just, you know, inevitable. These do perform best with a glitter glue underneath. I usually use the Paint Glow one. I think it's really good and it's super affordable, I'm pretty sure. So I am going to fast forward my face routine just because I've babbled a lot in this video. I've chatted on, so I'm going to just do a little time lapse for you, so those of you who do enjoy seeing the face routine, you can see it, but those of you who do not want me to babble on for however many years longer can skip through it, obviously.
God, knock me out, so I pointed myself in the face. No, honestly.
So for my highlight, I'm going to use this new one I picked up today from Primark. Primark. This is stunning. Like, it's got the little embossment, it has all the foiled packaging, it is beautiful. £3. I bought this for my mum. I swatched it and I realised I want it for myself. So I'm just going to use it in today's video. Oh, that is stunning. I need to go back and buy myself one. I don't even know if you can see how gorgeous this is, but I think this is my new favourite highlighter and it's not even mine. I hate that because I love this. Oh, this is dry as well. I'm going to spray my face with some Mario Badescu. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then apply some more. Oh my goodness. Like, oh my god. Can you see that glow? Oh, these are the things in life I get excited about. Primark highlighters. Oh, that is stunning. I'm just going to go over the edges with my sponge just to blend that out a bit, just so it's not too much. Right, it's official. I'm going back and I'm buying myself one. Look at that. Oh, I hate that when my mum buys makeup that I recommend and I'm like, oh, that looks cute, buy one for you. And I'm like, oh, I won't buy one for myself. And then this happens. For my lower lash line, now I've stopped fangirling about this highlighter, I'm going to take my shade Christmas Tree, which is this gorgeous green colour. Honestly, it might kind of clash, but we're going to go with it anyway. It's more of like a bluey toned foresty green colour than like a bright green, as you can see, but it is so pretty and I love it. So these are the eyes so far. As you can see, I have really watery eyes, so every time I put lashes on my eyes water, which is a bit of a struggle doing these looks because I like to have my pretty makeup stay pretty. But I'm just going to apply a red liner in my waterline. I would prefer this to be a brighter, like true red colour, but we're just going to deal with this lip liner that's kind of pinky, kind of red. This also probably doesn't help my eye watering situation, but does that look cute? I can't tell. I don't know if that looks cute or not. Has it made my eyes water? Yes. But is it super duper festive? Yes. So we're sticking with it. Okay, so I've just added a bit more to my eyebrows because this is such a dramatic look. But finally, I'm going to apply the gloss because, I mean, this is the product of the day. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Glazey Days, which I love this name. I actually wore this gloss yesterday. I opened it a day in advance. Oh, it's such a pretty colour. I love this lip. It would go with any look. And if you know me, you know I am a gloss lover. I'm not a big fan of liquid lipstick. I don't like to reapply every however long and have it look messy. A gloss just wears nicely, and yeah, I just love a gloss.